Hi, good evening. My name is Captain Anvay. I'm a sailing master on a foreign-going passenger vessel at the moment, and this is my second course I'm doing with Anvay. The first course I did somewhere, I think, 3 years ago, and crisis management is the second time I'm doing it. I did it last 5 years from Marlins, the UK, and crisis management over here is a different ballgame altogether. I'm very happy to be a part of this education program, and Anvay is doing a fantastic job. I like the faculty over here because they were very supportive to all our questions, and they went in depth and they answered each and every person's query, whether it was a small query or a big query. They could answer each and every person's query, and I'm very happy because of that. Also, apart from this, the practicals were done in a very good manner, especially for crisis management. We went into depth for lifeboat lowering and firefighting, and the instructors over there were very good. They were very knowledgeable, and they had the guts to actually give us information, which really was very good. That was one thing about the practice. The food here also was very nice. The staff, the people who processed my application for this course were also very helpful. They helped me to upload my photograph on the DG website, and I will definitely in future do courses over here. I got to meet some of my old mentors, Captain Maisale, who was MMD surveyor during my time when we were doing second mates, and also a chief engineer who was the principal of Asha Marine. I'm very proud to meet them over here. And definitely it is a good experience for me, and I will always do courses over here. And thank you, Anvay, and thank you for everything.